So last class already we discussed, right? So last class we discussed a few Git commands, and so mostly what is right, cherry pick, what is Git cherry pick, and already right, what is Git merge command, and also right, so what is reset, and so how many ways we can reset files from one area to another area. So last class already we seen, right? So these are as of now, right? These are the commands. So now just repeat it. Already know git add command, and so git commit hyphen m, and also git put command. Next git clone command, and so git fetch git pull command, and so git fetch command, and so next what are those? Git merge command, and so git merge command. What are those? And so git yesterday we seen, right?
Status
Cherry pick hyphen
cherry
cherry
pick,
pick commit ID, and so commit ID, cherry pick
git
command,
reset,
git so status command, and so git reset command, and also git log. Next git branch, and so branch name. Next what are those? Anything missing? So these
git
are the
clean,
most, yeah, git. So last class we seen, right? Where is this? And git clean command. So git clean command, and git reset command. Git reset. So we can use hyphen soft, and also we can use git reset hyphen hard, and also we can use so git reset hyphen what is this? Mixed also we can use it. Mixed, and what is this? Git reset. That's it, right? So anything missing? So these are the mostly in interview, mostly they are asking what is difference between git pull and git fetch, and so what is git clone command, and what is git cherry pick command, and what is git merge and rebase and all. So these are very very important in intro. Mostly they are asking also 5 to 6 questions only. If they asked any questions in git, so mostly what is git pull and fetch, and what is merge and rebase, what is cherry pick, and so there is what is revert command, and how to resolve the conflict and all. So how to resolve the conflict and all. Okay. So today we'll see, already right, last class already we seen what is reset, git reset hard, and reset we can use fixed also, and git reset soft. So basically right, so if you want to move one branch to another branch, so this is my our local, right? So we can use three ways. We can use three. One is we can use this is the three areas, right? These are the three areas. So these are the three areas. This is untracked files. These are the index area, and these are the local repository. So now hard means so directly we can remove that changes. Directly we can remove that changes and all permanently in staging area, working area, everywhere. So, but if you use a stage by stage, if you want to move staging area to untracked files, we use one command, right? What is the command? Git so reset, and we are giving so that file name, right? Last class already we seen, right? So git reset, so that directly we can use that file name also. File name or commit ID. Which one used? Already git clean, right?
file
Git
name, sir.
clean hyphen f, and so git so reset and the file name. Now file name, and so if you want to move stage by stage, one stage to another stage, and there is a this can we can use it hyphen hard, hyphen hyphen soft hyphen hyphen mixed also we can use it. Git reset hyphen hyphen hard and so git reset hyphen hyphen soft and so git reset hyphen hyphen mixed also we can use it. Mixed. So these are three, but so no one is asked, just for your understanding. So try to understand. Now, so already you know, right? Git hard means it is removing from all stages, all areas. What is those? Untracked area and also staging area and also local repository. If you use a git reset hyphen hyphen stop, stopped, right? Stage by stage. I don't, for example, my file is available local. From local to first, I want to move staging area. For staging to, I want to move local, that is untracked files. So that case we go for, so what is this? Soft. I don't want like that. So directly I want to remove. So that case directly we can use git hard. So this is the hard. So directly, you know, right, all areas it will remove. So working area, index area, local repository. If you want to stage by stage, that is a move back one word, that case we can use soft. So this is the soft. And mixed means directly local to untracked areas. If directly move to local to untracked areas, so that case we can go for mixed and all. So quickly we'll see how it will work. So clear guys, but just try to understand. But mostly they didn't ask anyone. But so if you want to move files one area to another area, so we can use, so these are the commands. Git. Now this is already we know, right? So this is our repository, or we can create any new repository as well. Now just click on new repo, click on repo. I am using, so that is the reset repo. Just I given one repository name, reset repo, and keep it. And what is this? Public, private, public, add only. That is the master branch. Click on it. Now see here, repository created. I don't have anything, and this is a new repo. Already just I have only one file. That file name is readme.md file. Only readme.md file. Correct. Now let me clone this repo. How to clone it? So now coming to here. Now coming to here. Just I am creating one repo. Right click with bash, and how to clone it. So same command, git clone first time, right? Git clone, so that is the repo URL. Anyway, master branch only, just leave it. Git, anything missing? URL is missing, right? Let me cut this admin. Coming to here, copy this URL and coming to here, git clone, so B. So these are okay. ls td space reset repo. This is my repository name, guys. We can give any name. Now I have only one file. Now try to here understand. Simply already yesterday we discussed. Just I am yesterday there is changes and all I didn't update, right? Let me update. Okay. Now see here I am giving so VA. For example, I given one file. Any file name. Any file name. So here I given so that for example here I given dev.txt file. Okay. So dev.txt file insert. Okay. So this is the dev one. Just I given one time, first time. Just I am committing git add and so git commit hyphen m. Okay. So dev one commit or just I am giving so commit one for your understanding purpose. Same I am updating multiple times. So va insert. Okay. Just I given escape colon insert escape colon x. So git add. These all are same story only. Common commands. So just I given commit to git vi dev.txt insert updated dev3.txt I given. Okay. Escape git add git commit just commit 3. Same file I am did multiple commits, guys. Don't confuse here. Same file I am going to do multiple times commits. That's it. So for if you can easily understand. Updated. Okay. Now see here. Git add. Git commit. Now everything my local repository. I hope everyone clear, right? So now this is the commit 4. Now now see here. Git push. Just I am giving a git push command. Now I push it to my all files to master. That's it. Now I have total how many commits, guys? Git log. Now observe here. Total how many commits? Leave this is initial commit. This is the commit 1. This is the commit 2. And this is the commit 3. This is the commit 4. So master. This is the head. Head is nothing but latest commit ID. Okay. Now how to check the data? Cat space dev.txt. Now where is this file, guys? Now tell me git status. Now my file is available which area? Untracked, staging or local repository. Now 4 times I pushed, right? Committed, right? And finally I pushed it. Where is my file? Central
G.
repository as well as local repository.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Git status. Don't have any changes, right? So now file is local repository and I pushed my file to central as well. Now we can see both areas. Now coming to here, if you refresh it. Now see here. This is the file and we can see 4 comment. This is the 4 lines data. 4 times I updated same file and so cat space dev dot. I hope everyone clear. Now let me use so see here, just assume this is my file, right? So this is my file and so I want to move back step by step and all. So that case we can use git reset hyphen soft and so we can use commit id. Which commit id? Git log. First copy that commit id. I want to move so this commit id up to this second commit id. Whatever you want we can use it, or this is the third, or this is the first and second, third, 4 commit ids we have. So whatever commit id you want, so just copy anyone. So I copied this one and so I am using same command. Observe here, git reset hyphen soft and so what is the commit id? This is my commit id. So this is 763. 763 means second commit id I given. Okay. Now where is this file? Now take it anyone. So now this is the staging area, correct? Now clear. So actually it is in local repository. Now I given git reset hyphen soft, I given commit id. Now I come to here one stage. This is the staging area. How I know staging area, guys? How this is a staging area? How I know? Untracked means red, right? Clear. Staging area files means green. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Now check the status. Git status. Git status. Now see here. Now if you use now it is in staging area and so if you want to see here git restore hyphen staged and this is the file name. And what is the file name, guys? Now see here I am using git restore. Once that is done, soft, we need to execute this command. Restore hyphen staged and file name dev.txt. Now observe here I given. Now see here git status. Now where is this file? status. It is staging area or untracked file. Now observe here. Where is this?
Untracked.
Untracked files. Now actually my file is available here. So here dev.txt local repository. Already I committed, right? 4 commit is done here. So here total I did 4 commits. History I have. How many commits? 4 commits. Now first time I used this command. So get reset hyphen soft and so commit ID. If I use this commit ID, if I use this commit ID, now this file move on to staging area. Which file? This file. Now this file is available which area? So now this file is available here. Now here I executed one more command. What is this command? Git see here. What is this? Git restore hyphen staged. If you use this command, now it will move on to one more step back. That is untracked files. If I use this command, so if I use this command, now so now file is move on to untracked area. Now this file is available here. Now this file is available here. Now this file is available here. Okay. Now, so finally there is one more command. Now see here. So git restore file name. Git restore file name. Now see here. Git restore file name dev.txt. Dev.txt. This is the last command. Dev.txt. Now earlier, if I see my file, total how many lines, guys? Cat space dev.txt. Correct? 4 commits, 4 lines I updated. Now I did some commands, right? I moved to local area to staging area to untracked. Now finally I restored the original data. So how many commits data we can see here, observe here. Now git not git cat space dev.txt. Now see here total so how many commits data only we can see? 2 commits or 3 commits or 4 commits data?
Two commits.
Two
2
commits, sir.
commits. Why 2 commits? So actually I given this commit ID, second commit ID. So up to here, I want to remove this data. I want to revert back. That is nothing but I moved back these 2 commits data. Now we can see only first commit data and we can see only second commit data. This commit data already I restored. So you see here back, right? So I moved to staging area to here. Okay. So finally I restored this file. So up to only second commit data, it is keeping that file. Remaining these 2 commits data, automatically it will remove it. So that is the, so that case we can go for reset command. No, sir. Directly if you want to move, so central local repository to this is untracked file. That case we can go for git reset hyphen mixed. Directly, what is this? It is coming to what the command. So repository to directly repository local to untracked file. Local to untracked area. So that case we can use mixed. Now I am using stage by stage. That case we can go for soft. Hard means so directly we can remove all areas. Already last class we discussed. Now let me execute mixed command. How it will work? Now clear, guys? Here anyone any doubt? What how to use git reset hyphen soft hyphen hard. Now I am going to use hyphen mixed. Mixed means local to untracked area directly. Local to untracked area. I don't want to staging. I don't want to untracked. So directly I want to move my file local repository to untracked areas. Clear? Here anyone any doubt here? Mixed. Local to untracked, that is working area. Directly. I don't want to move stage by stage. So now observe here vi for example sample.txt I given insert so updated. Okay, just I given feature 1. Okay, escape colon x. So git add, this is the first commit, git commit -m, and so this is the I am giving so whatever image first commit, okay, and so git status. Now see here it is in local repository. Same file I am going to edit. Vi insert updated feature code to feature to just escape colon just git add. Now added git commit -m, and so second commit id, second commit s is nothing but here second commit id. Now again come to here git vi sample.txt insert updated uh, feature 3, okay, escape colon x. So git add, so git commit -m, and so third commit id tc, third commit. So now see here git log. Total how many commits, guys? 3 commits. This is the first commit, same file. This is the second commit, same file. This is the third commit, same file. Now I'm using mixed. Now I'm using mixed. Now observe here how it will come. Now clear the screen and git log. So anyone any doubt, guys, here? I created one file, that is the sample.txt file, and the same file I did the 3 commits, same file, okay. This is the first commit, this is the second commit, this is the third commit. Now I have 3 commits. Now I'm going to use the mixed. Now how it will work, see here, git reset hyphen mixed mixed, and which commit id, up to which commit id, up to which commit id, guys. Now I'm giving so this commit id, okay. So copy this, or you can copy anyone, or we can copy this one also, that is your wish. I am copying first commit id, just paste it. Now see here un unchanged unstaged changes after reset, okay. M means modified. Now see here git status. Earlier it is in local, right? Now directly we can see untracked area, that is nothing but working area. Clear, guys? Now it is moved staging area or directly to come to untracked, that is working area. Directly from local to
Untracked
Untracked
area.
area.
untracked area. Now see here git restore. Now git restore. What is the file name? Sample.txt. Correct. Now see here cat space sample.txt. Now only how many commits we can say? Which commit data we can see? Up to first commit. So just I given git reset hyphen mixed. I given commit id. So I given first commit id. Up to first commit id, all commit data it will erase. Now I need only first commit id data. Actually here I given this commit id. What is this commit? This if I give this commit id on top of this commit, all commit data it will erase. It will remove. Now clear? Now got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that case we go for so git mixed command, git reset hyphen mixed. But just to understand, but mostly no one is asked this. This is the 3 areas. I hope now you know what is hyphen mixed, what is hyphen soft, what is git reset hyphen hard also. Now, if it is clear, let's move on to one more command, very important. Git revert command. Now clear, guys, here? If anyone doubt, if you have any doubt still, so I will create one more file. I will did. If it is clear, let's move on to another command. Clear?
Sir, at a time, 3 would direct చేసుకోవచ్చు సార్.
ఎన్ని చేసుకోవచ్చు, దట్ ఈస్ మన ఇష్టం అనమాట. ఆ కమిట్లో నువ్వు ఎన్ని ఇచ్చుంటే అన్ని వెళ్ళిపోతాయి సేమ్
ఓకే.
కమిట్లే. దట్ ఈస్ అవర్ విష్. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇన్ ఫస్ట్ కమిట్ ఐడి I added 3 files. Second commit I did 5 files. So within based on commit only here we are moving files. We are moving one area to another area. Not file name. Here we are using commit ID. Okay. within the same commit ID, if you update multiple files, all files it will so move to one area to another area. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now very important command. So git revert command. In interview also, many people they are asking. Most of the cases they are asking. So this is the git revert command. Right? Understand? Very important. So how it will work in so real time? See here, guys. This is my central repository. Just assume this is my central repository. I am working one project. Okay. So this is my central repository. This is the central repo, and I am working ABC project anything. Just assume here I am working reset test. This is my repo name. Correct? Repository. Here I have source code. Here I have SRC source code, and you have multiple branches. So you can use a dev branch, master branch, test branch, blah blah blah. All branches available here only. Clear? All branches available here only. Now, so all branches available here only. Now I am the local repository. Now see here, this is the local repository. I hope everyone know. So here already we are updating, or we can create new files, and finally we move to file to locals and local repository, and we are pushing file to local to central with the help of git push command. So this is the same story only. Now what is reset? Reset already know. What is the revert command? Now just try to understand, guys. Now I am the developer, or I am the DevOps engineer. Just assume this is the local repository. So this is the local workspace. Workspace. This is the local workspace. So this is the central. So actually there is one requirement. Actually there is one requirement. So I created one file. Just assume here I created one file. Okay. So this is the Jenkins, whatever it may be, Jenkins.conf configuration file. This is the configuration file, and so I updated some script and all here, and with the help of same commands, git add, right, and so git push, git commit. So here so git commit hyphen m, and we given same story. Now file is available here. Where is your file, guys? Now local repository. Correct? I hope here no doubt, everyone clear. Now my file is available here. So actually this is my requirement, and updated the script. I updated my script. I updated my script. I updated my script. Now I committed the file. My file is available local repository. I committed my file. So my file is available in local repository. Now, so now this, right, this sprint, I updated few files, few lines based on requirement. I created a file, updated, I written everything in the file. And finally, I push it to central repository. Right, how to push it. So git push, right, how to push local to central. What is the command? Git push, and we are using so just and a
Origin.
branch name, a branch name. Okay, my work is done. My work is done. So once I pushed entire my code to local to central repository, the requirement changed, or that is wrong. I think wrongly updated. Now see here, actually I got one requirement, and based on requirement I created file, and I added whatever the script they want. So everything updated the file, and finally I pushed this file to central repository. Now this file is available here. Up to here, anyone any doubt, guys? I hope you got it right. So now
Yes, sir.
so my I pushed now everything available here. Now everything available here. So I hope everyone know. So my file is available in central repository. So my file is available in central repository. So after 2 days or after same next day, the requirement changed. Okay, my manager is asking, hey, yesterday you pushed, you updated the file. Please revert those changes. We don't want that changes. Again, requirement changed, or really we don't want that changes and all. Please revert it. That changes and all. Now I push it to central repository. Now everyone can see these changes, right? Correct? Yes or no? Now I push it to central repository. Now everyone can see my file, and everyone can see that updated data and all. Up
Yes,
to
sir.
clear, guys? Now requirement changed. Again, my manager or someone is asked, my team lead, hey, so yesterday you updated something, so please revert back that changes and all. We don't want that changes again. Okay, please revert back that changes. Now how to revert it? Now how to revert it? This file. Actually, my file is available here. Now everyone can see my file. Everyone, if we pull that, if they use pull command and that file go to local repository, they can see my data. So actually that is not a correct path, and unnecessarily we updated and we modified the file. Now we don't want that data, so we want to revert back that changes. Now that case, this is the command, guys. Git revert and commit id. So sometimes rival time, and sometimes I use the same command. Unnecessary, if I push any changes, unnecessary changes to my central repository, and later we realized we don't want that changes, so that time again we want to revert back it. Okay, so that case, so we are going to use git revert commit id. Now got it?
Yes, sir.
Now how it will work? Now see here. Now this is my repository. Now this is my repository. Now this is my repository. Let me create one file. Same story I'm going to create. Git status. Where is my everything clear? I'm using one file, jenkins dot conf configuration file. And so insert, just I'm updating something. So this is jenkins configuration file for auto deploy something I updated. Okay, just assume this is my script. Escape colon x. Now this is the same story remaining. Git status, and use git add command, and git status. Now it is in staging area. Now finally commit it. What is the command? Git commit and hyphen m, and so updated so Jenkins so configuration file. Jenkins configuration file. Okay. Now I committed. Now it is in central or local? Anyone, guys?
Local.
Local, sir.
Local. Now these changes we can't see in central as of now. Up to now, no problem. I didn't write, I didn't change anything and all. Now, so everything good, and I am pushing this central. Git push, git push, origin. Just I given master. Now I pushed my file to central repository. What is happening? Non fast forward. Okay, so git pull command merge. Okay, I think earlier I did something right. I didn't commit it. So now insert. Now merge Jenkins configuration file. Okay. Now again I am committing. That's it. And check this git status. And so no, come to here. Here also nothing is there. So this is the repository. I don't have anything. Coming to here. Git push origin master. Now everything done. Now I push it to so central repository. Now just refresh it. So now see here, file is available here. This is the commit message and all. This is the commit message and all. And my file is available here, central repository. My file is available central repository. Now next day again my manager or team lead, hey, yesterday we updated one file. So actually that is the we don't want so currently current deployment current release. So please revert back that changes. Please revert back that file. Now clear, guys? I don't want keep in central repository. Again I want to revert back to, so I want to remove from central. Now how to remove, how to revert back it? So this is the command, guys. So this is a command. What is the command? Tell me. So first check the log and all. How to check the git log? Git log. So which commit ID? See here, this is I merged. Okay. And this is my latest commit ID. So in this commit ID, I done right. Now see here, this is the commit ID. So what is the message? Updated Jenkins. Which file here? This is a merge commit ID. And so this is the commit ID. Okay. Now anyway, I'm going to do this one or anyone. First, I'm going to, this is the last, right? I'm going to revert back it. Or also don't confuse here, two commits, right? Actually, without update, here I took. Now let me create one more, or else we are confusing, which is the correct one. Now see here, git full. I think everything up to date only. Now vi. So here I given, for example, docker.txt file insert, and so this is so docker file. Right now we can see only one file. Git add, and so git commit. These are the same commands only, daily repeated only. So yes, I given some message and all, whatever you want. And so git push, I pushed. Now see here, now this file also available central repository. Now, so now see here, docker.txt file. Now unfortunately, so now see here everything clear. And so cat also docker. Okay, everything clear. Okay. Now what is my requirement? I don't want. This is a central repository. It is available central also. I want to revert back it. Now how to revert back it, guys? This is the syntax. Git log. First find the log and see here. This is the latest commit ID. Updated Docker file. Now we can see, right, only one commit ID. Copy this commit ID and this is the command, guys. What is the command? Git. Tell me. Git revert. I don't want that changes in my central repository. Git revert and commit ID. Which commit ID you want to revert back? This commit ID. Actually, these changes I don't want my central. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt here?
No,
No,
sir.
Git
sir.
git revert which commit ID you want to revert back it. Which commit ID you want to revert back it. Which commit ID you want to revert back it. So which commit ID you want to, so which admin, so which commit ID you want to, so revert back it. This is, now see here, now it is asking, so this is the, right, commit, this is the commit, right, message and all we need to update. Okay. Now whatever you want based on requirement, best update the commit message and all. Now come to here. Okay. Now I am coming to here, revert back. Okay. Docker.txt file changes. Okay. Whatever you want, that is your wish, guys. Okay. So current sprint. Okay. Not needed. These these changes. Just I given. Okay. Revert back docker.txt file changes. I given some message. So everyone can see this message, they can easily understand. So based on your commit message only. So based on this commit message, if someone is see this commit message, they can easily understand. Okay, current print not needed these changes. Okay, so these changes, that is the reason. So they reverted again same file. This is the commit message. Escape colon x. Clear, guys? Now done. Now check it. Git log. Not git log, git status. Okay. Now everything is clear. Now if we come to here, okay. Now if we come to here, now still see here, come to central repository. So that file is gone or not? Already I reverted. Still my file, I can see this file. So anyone guess why you are seeing still A1 I reverted? Just I use the git revert, I given commit ID. That's enough. We need to execute one more command.
Full again.
Hmm. Not full. So actually, so we reverted, right? So we reverted local only, correct? Now I given this command. Now local it is updated. Same changes I want to push central, right?
Yes, sir.
Now finally which command we need to execute? Git
Git push.
push.
Git push.
That's it. The git push the origin. Otherwise it won't reflect in our origin master. It won't reflect in central repository. So actually this revert back and all I done in local only. Now I removed from here, but these changes I want to update central also same as it is. So that case again we need to use push command. Now come to here. Now come to here. Now see here. Can you see that file? Can you see or not? No, right? Docker.txt file. Earlier we can see here. Now I removed. But now if you come to here, ls command. Now see here. Can you see here? I reverted, right? That commit ID, entire commit ID. Now got it.
Sir, the screen not changed, sir.
Screen not changed. Okay.
Yeah, now
Now
I
I
can.
am
There is no network.
now I'm in github.com. Okay. Now I'm coming to CLI. Now can you see my screen? CLI
Yes, sir.
screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now can you see that file name local? No, right? Already I pushed
No,
it,
sir.
right? I
Yes, sir.
revert
No.
back and I pushed it. Now these changes already we updated in central. Now here also we can't see that file. So some cases, rare case. So mostly in real time also we can use this revert command. So if unnecessary changes, if you push any changes to central repository, and so after central repository we realized actually we don't want that changes. Now see guy, commit ID also we can see here. What is this? Git log. See here, what is the last I updated that revert commit ID, current print not needed these changes, revert back docker.txt file changes. They can easily understand, oh this print they don't want these changes, they revert back this file. That's it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So like this, we need to give proper message in real time. Don't give blindly whatever you want. Okay. So everyone can see these changes and all. So that is the reason. If you give proper message, commit message and all, if someone is if someone is seeing this message, they can easily understand. Okay, okay. So they updated something, but so current print, so that changes not needed. So that is the reason. Again, they revert back it. Okay. So that case mostly we go for git revert command, guys. Git revert command. Okay. So anyone any doubt here? What is git revert command? How it will work?
Sir, generally by seeing the path itself, whether we can identify whether it's a local repository or central repository, sir. బికాస్ మనం ఇప్పుడు రన్ చేసినప్పుడు మీరు లోకల్ రిపాజిటరీలో రన్ చేసాం మళ్ళీ పుష్ కమాండ్ ఇచ్చాం కాబట్టి అక్కడ అక్కడ తీసుకునిందని చెప్పారు కదా సార్.
అవును. సో జనరల్ గా లోకల్లో ఉంటాయి నీకు ఫైల్స్. అది సెంట్రల్ లో ఉందా లేదా చెక్ చేయాలంటే నువ్వు సెంట్రల్ రిపాజిటరీకి వెళ్ళి చెక్ చేస్తావు. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ అవైలబుల్ ఇన్ సెంట్రల్, సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లం? దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ఓన్లీ లోకల్. We didn't push that file to central. Clear?
ఎస్ సార్. అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ మనం రివర్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా, రివర్ట్ అంటే మనం చేయాల్సింది సెంట్రల్ రిపాజిటరీ నుంచి రివర్ట్ చేస్తున్నట్టు కదా.
అవును. సెంట్రల్ నేను చేసేసా కదా, వెళ్ళిపోయింది కదా, సెంట్రల్ వెళ్ళిపోయింది, లోకల్లో కూడా వెళ్ళిపోయింది.
అంటే
పుష్
మీరు
లేదనుకో, పుష్ లేదనుకో నీ లోకల్లో ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే.
ఆ చేంజెస్ ఓన్లీ లోకల్లో ఉంటుంది. సెంట్రల్ అప్డేట్ అవ్వాలంటే వీ నీడ్ టు
పుష్
పుష్ ఇట్
కమాండ్.
అగైన్ అప్డేట్. అంటే
ఓకే.
లోకల్లో ఏముందో ఆ చేంజెస్ మళ్ళీ నేను సెంట్రల్కి మూవ్ చేయాలి కదా.
పుష్ కమాండ్ అనేది
పుష్ చేస్తే నీకు ఇక్కడ అప్డేట్ అవుతుంది, అదర్వైజ్ ఇట్ వోంట్ అప్డేట్ హియర్. అంటే లోకల్ అయిపోయింది. ఇఫ్ యూ యూజ్ గిట్ రివర్ట్ కమిట్ ఐడి, సో దట్ ఈస్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ ఓన్లీ లోకల్. బట్ సో if you want to update in central also, we need to use push command, otherwise it won't reflect in central repository.
ఓకే.
Both are same copy, right? Git is the distributor version copy. We are maintaining one copy central, we are maintaining one copy local. Now I modified local only. Now I didn't change anything in central. If we modified anything local, if we want to update these changes in central, which command we need to execute every time?
Git push.
Push. Otherwise it won't reflect in central, correct?
Yeah.
For example, if someone is pushed, that changes available central. If you want to update these changes in our local, what is the command?
Sir?
Someone is updated some files, or someone is pushed new files to central repository. That changes I want to update my local. What is the command?
Git pull, sir.
That's it. Central to local git pull. Local
Mm-hmm.
to central
Git push.
git push. That's it. Very simple.
Okay, sir.
Clear, guys? This is also very important. Anyone any doubt here? I hope you got it right. What is git revert command? How it will work? Okay. If some case, if you push any changes to central, if you want to revert back, and that case we go for git revert commit ID. Which commit ID you want to revert back it? Clear, guys? Yes or no?
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Now very important command. Very important interview question. Most of the people asking this question. What is difference between git rebase and git merge command? 99% people are asking this question. And what is difference between git pull and git fetch? Already you know what is difference between git pull and git fetch. Now what is difference between git merge and git rebase command? First try to understand. Now this is my one branch, guys, correct? This is a master branch or anyone, clear? Now we know, right? So they just assume this is the master branch, and I created a branch from master only, and so this branch I given development purpose. So developers working on this, just assume this is the feature branch. Every print, so we are creating one branch name, and so this is the master. The master is nothing but main branch, guys. Master is nothing but a main branch, and mostly we won't working master. Mostly we are working so other branches only real time. Just blindly remember. Just assume this is the feature branch, or test branch, or dev branch, whatever it may be, development branch. Now, so once this is a master, from master I created development branch. Whatever files available, what are the source code available in master, same code coming to dev also, right? Clear? Up to now clear, right? Whatever files available in master,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
same thing automatically it will, if you create any branch from any branch, whatever source code available here, whatever files available, what are changes available, same thing automatically it will coming to new branch. Now developer working on this branch, and they created some files. So d1.txt and d2.txt and dt.txt, like this. Just assume. So d3.txt. So now these files can you see in master branch? No, right?
No, sir.
So if you want to see, if you want to merge these files to master also, what is the command as of now?
Git merge.
Git merge. Which branch I need to give here? Dev or master?
Dev.
Sorry, master or dev. Now we
Dev.
know. So these files, these three commits, these three files, so we are going to merge master branch. Up to here same. Now same way there is one more command also is there. Git rebase command. Git rebase and dev. We can use both same only. So both purpose is same, guys. What is difference between git merge and rebase? Both are same purpose only. Both are same purpose only. If we want to merge files from one branch to another branch, whether we can use a merge, that is a merge command, or whether we can use a rebase command. Clear? That is the first point. Now second point, if I use git merge command, and it will generate one extra commit ID, and so it is merging files to, that is the destination branch to source branch, and that commit IDs and all, it won't change any order. Here we are confusing. Okay, we'll see later. Now, if you use a git rebase command, it is arranging the commit IDs. Now, how it works, sir? So now we have a doubt, right? Now observe here. So now this is the master branch, guys. First, this is the master branch. Just assume this is the master branch. So in master branch, I did two commit IDs. In master branch, I did two commit IDs. Now control Z. So just assume. Now this is just assume this is the master branch. Okay. And just assume this is the first commit ID. Okay. This is the second commit ID. Just assume this is the M1. My commit ID name I am assigning here. This is the M1. And so this is the M2. This is the M2. Now, so now I have two files in master. From master I created one branch, guys. Now observe here. So master I created one branch. So what is this branch name is nothing but something whatever your feature branch or development branch or anything. Now I created one branch. What is this branch name? Development branch or feature branch, dev branch. So here already I did two commits, two more files, whatever it may be. That is, this is the D1 and this is the D2 and so one more commit also I'm going to do. This is the D3, whatever it may be, like this. This is a very interesting story but very confusing. First try to understand. Now this is the D1 commit. This is the I created one, two, three files. This is the D1 and so this is the D2. This is the D2 and so this is the D3. This is the D3. Now again I am coming to master branch. Again I am coming to master branch. I created one more file, one more commit ID. So what is this commit ID? M3. I given one more commit ID. So this is the M3. One more file I created. Now this is the first commit ID, actually master. Second commit ID master. From master I created one branch. So development branch. In development I created three new files. D1, D2, D3. Again I am coming to master branch. In master also I created one more file, M3. Now if I use git, this is the command, git, okay, merge, merge, merge or master or dev, whatever it may be. What is happening means, so now it won't change any commit IDs. So what is the output means, here it will generate one more commit ID. This is the merge commit IDs, guys. It will generate one commit ID, extra commit. This is the merge commit ID. So this is the merge commit ID. So it is generating one commit ID. This is the merge commit ID. One extra commit. What is this? Merge commit ID. Merge commit ID. So and what is this output? So now means M1, that is commit IDs M2 and so D1 and so D2 and so D3 and so M3 and so finally merge commit ID. This is the, it won't rearrange any commits. It won't rearrange any commit IDs. So this is the flow. Now if you understand nothing, now try to understand. First, this is the master branch. Just assume in master I have two files and two commit IDs. From master, I created one more branch, development branch. I did three commit IDs, D1, D2, D3. Again, I am coming to master branch. I created one more file. Now I used git merge master. Now see here M1, M2, M3. So M1, M2, M1, M2, D1, D2, D3, M3 and merge commit ID. This is the extra commit IDs, guys. It is generating extra commit ID. Clear? Here anyone any doubt? What is git merge? How it will work? Now same, if I use git rebase command, what is the output means m1. Next class I will show you practically m2 and m3, d1, d2, d3. There is no extra commit id. That's it. It is rearranging the commit ids. And compare to merge, rebase is working nature is very fast performance wise. Clear guys? So these are the main difference between git merge and git rebase. Here also same scenario. This is the m1 and this is the m2, and so now see here, this is the same story only. And so if I use this one and this control C, control V, now this is the rebase. If I use git rebase, here there is no extra commit id. It won't generate any 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 extra commit id, but it is rearranging the commits. So what is the output? So this is the output m1, m2, m3, d1, d2, d3. But if we come to merge, it won't rearrange any commit IDs, and it will also generate one extra commit ID, that is the merge commit ID. But both are purpose is same only. But compared to merge, rebase is powerful. But we can use anyone, guys. I hope you got some idea, right? So anyone, any doubt, guys, here? Hello.
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Next class I will show you Git rebase. Actually, this is the official website. If you want to know, just go to this official website, and so they given so lot of right Git rebase, and example also they given how it will work and all. So, but if you want to understand, first you need to understand basic simply. So this is the flow how it will work. Now same thing they explained here also, but I don't know whether you can understand or not. Just if you want to know more about, just try to use this. See here, and these are the commit IDs, guys. Here they given A, B, C, D something, right? These are the example they given like commit IDs. And so if you use a git rebase command, and how it will work, if you use git merge command, how it will work, just we can compare it. So we can see here there is multiple brands how it will work, and single brands how it will work, and so now we can get more on this. And same way, if you use git merge command, and so how it will work, see here, this is same scenario only, but here it will generate one extra commit id, and so it won't rearrange any commit ids and all. So as it is, it will display, so master feature and master as it is, but it won't rearrange. See, incorporate changes from the named commits. But if you want to understand this topic and all, first you need to understand what is merge. Now I explained 3 points, right? If you understand these 3 points, so we can easily understand this data and all. Otherwise, we cannot understand. Okay. So both are same purpose, guys. We can use git merge or we can use git rebase. But compared to git merge, git rebase is fast, and so performance wise it is fast, and both are same purpose only. And if you use git merge, it won't rearrange any commit IDs, and it will generate one extra commit ID also. But if you use git rebase command, it is rearranging the commit IDs. It won't generate any extra commit ID. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next class I will show you practically, and so what is the output and how to see and all. This is also very important question interview. Okay. So what is difference between git rebase and merge? At least just remember 1 or 2 points. Okay. So both are purpose is same only. If you want to merge files from one branch to another branch, whether we can use git merge or git rebase. But what is difference? If you use git merge, it won't rearrange any commit IDs, and also it will generate one extra commit. If you use git rebase command, it is arranging the commit IDs, and also it won't generate any extra commit ID. That is the main difference. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's it. And so next class we'll see practically. So anyone any doubt, guys? So that's it from my side. And if you have any